Hi and welcome to my channel. My name is Shelly and today in this video what I am bringing in front of you is really great. I'm really impressed by this. It's called Sublime Life. Sublime Life, which is an online store and a community that is aiming to connect and sell only those products which are absolutely free from harmful chemicals, they are ethical, sustainable, they are safe for our skin and for the environment. Sublime Life is a curator of clean beauty. They offer plastic-free shipping. They do not use even a single piece of plastic while packing their products to make a positive switch towards the environment. So here I have my box which I ordered from Sublime Life. I'm gonna open this and show you guys what I ordered from them. And also, since I was a new user to them, they offered me 10% discount as well. As I already said, they never use the plastic for packaging purpose. I received this box, which is a solid cardboard box, inside this paper bag. And the products which I ordered are inside this box. And let me open this and show you guys. First, take a look at this paper, which is a seed paper, and this is really impressive. Every order that you place at Sublime Life comes with a seed paper like this, and that's basically a thank you note that you can put inside the soil and water it to convert it into a plant. Everything is wrapped in the paper bubble wrap instead of the traditional plastic bubble wrap, and the tape that has been used here is paper tape instead of the plastic tape. I placed this order in the month of Raksha Bandhan, and it was a Raksha Bandhan gift from my brother. So I also received this plantable Rakhi, another innovative idea from Sublime Life to promote greenery, to promote positivity towards the environment. It also has seeds right in here. The first thing that I ordered is something which I was looking forward to try from a long time. It's a jade roller from the brand Groom & Co. It comes inside this box which has a leaflet on which the instructions on how to use the product are given, and this is a mini version of the jade roller. Usually the facial rollers that are available in the market have stones on both the ends, but this mini version has stone only on one end. So yeah, that's why it is called a mini jade roller. It is priced for ₹1099, and you can use this on your face, under your eyes. It helps to reduce the puffiness and wrinkles, and it helps with the blood circulation as well. I like this mini jade roller better because I think it's more travel friendly. The next two things that I ordered are from the same brand called Clay Essential. It's an Indian brand. I have two essential oils from this brand. The one is peppermint oil and the other one is sweet orange oil. Both are 10 ml bottles and they are priced for ₹345 each. I really love the packaging. Let me open this and show you guys how beautiful these look from inside. They also come with a dropper, and essential oils are used a lot in aromatherapy. They are really helpful to treat a lot of mental and physical problems. So that's why I ordered them. Okay, so the next thing that I ordered is something which I never thought I would ever order in my life. It's a new concept for me. This is a roll-on deodorant from the brand called Shankara. They have two variants of this available. I chose the Aura Essential Oil Deodorant in Geranium and Lang Lang flavor. It's a 10 ml product and it is priced for ₹650. Yes, I know it's a lot for a 10 ml product, but this is a complete Ayurvedic product and it is made out of only and only essential oils. So that's why it is priced a little high. And also it is free from toxins, aluminum and alcohol. So I think, yeah, it may be worth it. So I ordered it. Although it is an essential oil based deodorant, but it can be directly applied onto your skin. It is formulated that way. Lang Lang, that is inside this product, relaxes and uplifts the mind, and Geranium, it purifies the skin and keeps it calm and balanced. It has lavender essential oils, tea tree essential oil, vetiver essential oil, thyme essential oil, geranium essential oil and lang lang essential oil. So it's a complete essential oil formulation and I'm really looking forward to try this. Okay, these are the things that I placed an order for at Sublime Life. But when you place an order in the range of 1500 to 2000, Sublime Life gives you a free gift, and I received this combo of sanitizer and facial moisturizer from the brand called Sukin, which is an Australian brand. Absolutely free. These two products are also eco-friendly and skin-friendly. So it was a great deal for me. If you're also one of those who are always looking for toxin-free brand, then I think you must check out Sublime Life. You get access to 20 to 30 brands on the same platform. Please find the link of the online store of Sublime Life in the description box. And if you happen to order from them, kindly share your experience in the comment section. I would love to hear from you guys.